The universe is a single atom, the convergence of science and spirituality, His Holiness the Dalai Lama. Book title: The Pioneers of Scientific Spirituality. We are living in an era of transformation. At every juncture of the change in an era, humanity has been blessed with the appearance of torchbearers of change, and today is no different. With the advent of both science and spirituality reaching their zenith, there are many who have come forward and combined both to showcase the future of the world that can come out from their combination. These torchbearers, these pioneers of scientific spirituality, have done scientific experiments in the field of spirituality and along the way enriched scientific exploration with the intuitive insights of spirituality. Pandit Sri Ram Sharma Acharya, a pioneer of scientific spirituality, at this threshold of emerging new era, Pandit Sri Ram Sharma Acharya devoted his life to synthesize the quintessence of science and spirituality. His unique integrative approach and resulting insights contain the essence of the legacy of humanity's spiritual and scientific achievements and provide for the guidelines for the future evolutionary growth of human consciousness. How should scientific spirituality be taught to youngsters? Scientific spirituality should be taught to youngsters, youths, and their guardians in the form of engaging, motivating, and enlightening stories, instead of hard to digest philosophical writing. Till now, the lesson on spirituality has been imparted through stories written in Sanskrit, as in Purans, or folk tales in Hindi and other regional languages. Scientific stories have also been narrated interestingly, but the intrinsic messages of both of them have not been driven home in an integrated way. What will the readers find in this volume? This volume is probably the first humble attempt of its kind. To put this together, a lot of anecdotes and facts from Eastern as well as Western sources were collected and weaved together in the light of the vision of Pandit Sri Ram Sharma Acharya's tenets and guidelines. Few excerpts from the book. We have confused spirituality with some rigid traditional teachings and the ritualistic form of religion. Acharya Sri Ram Sharma realized the root cause of this folly of wise and progressive minds of today and showed the path of scientific spirituality. Science has advanced a long trajectory since Planck's quantum theory and Einstein's theory of relativity. But the goal of deciphering nature and unfolding the ultimate truth is still far from sight a century later. A holistic approach synthesizing spirituality along with the integration of natural and social sciences would be the best option in the new millennium to proceed in the right direction towards plumbing deeper depth of reality. Research work has also deciphered that every entity of nature, animate or inanimate, has its own specific quality. Depending upon its atomic constitution and energy fields and consciousness level, it receives and absorbs compatible effects of the infinite energy currents pervading the cosmos. Sadhana Vignan, the science of practicing refinement of self, is united with astrology. The mathematical aspect of astrology, the position and interaction of planets and stars just tell the changing seasons in a man's life. The same is true of Mahadashas, Antardashas, and Pratyantardashas. The second important aspect of astrology is one which selects the sadhana vidhan necessary at a key point in life. Drinking the poison, he, the Socrates, started explaining the changes happening in him both physically and mentally, and slowly the body started losing life force and become sluggish. But the light of his inner peace spreads everywhere. Few chapters from the book: The Super Science Gifted by Vedic Rishis, Yagyashala, the Laboratory of Rishis, Vishwamitra's Super Experiment of Savitri, The Exponent of the Law of Karma, Gayatri Mahamantra, the Origin of Scientific Spirituality. Scientific experiments of Lord Buddha continued his entire life. A rishi's unique approach to worship, research for social welfare. Socrates, the worshipper of the life deity in the laboratory of life, lightening the lamps of scientific spirituality, and Vivekanand, the seer scientist of integrative spirituality.